Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing another silk press, of course. I'm just starting off with putting a little bit of my Daily Rose Nourishing Scalp Oil around the perimeter, and I don't use that's the only place I put the oil because, you know, of course, oil will weigh down a silk press. So I just put it around my perimeters because I do have seborrheic dermatitis, and it has like really good essential oils in it, like peppermint and rosemary and tea tree, which help with when you have scalp issues like seborrheic dermatitis. So I use that just around the perimeters, and I will say in like the first day it does kind of make the very front area just like a little less flowy, but after I wrap it that night and take it back down the next day, like it's like my scalp has soaked the oil up. It's not even an issue anymore. So yeah, I'm not going to talk through this whole video. I'm just going to come back in at the end like I usually do. So enjoy.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh,
you've made it to the end of another silk press. Make sure you put in the comment box down below some purple hearts if you made it this far, and also let me know what other styles you guys want to see from me. Maybe you have a similar hair texture, and I don't know, I'm thinking about starting to wear more like rod sets, like flexi rod sets or perm rod sets. So I think I'll be showing some of those kind of hairstyles. I am a silk press girl, so that's why usually I post a silk press. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching to the end of the video, and I'll see you in my next. Bye.